Hello, Elisan here. Thank you for stopping by and please stay tuned because Elisan is here for you. Today I bring this wonderful wand for you guys. You would not believe this. From my hair block. Stay tuned. Boom, boom. Yeah, what I'm about to show you now is from Wow Queen Hair. If you always watch my hair review, you will notice that I always deal with Wow Queen Hair. They are one in a million in as much as I'm concerned. So I buy this from them and I'm here to show you guys what I bought. So if you are interested, you can go buy. They have hair factory. They are hair factory based in where you know. Okay, so look at that. Look at that. Yeah, this is wig cap. Enough wig cap. These are wig caps. I don't even know. I'm not using these wig caps. You guys still use wig cap? Me, I don't use it. So guys, the hair comes with each of the hair comes like this in this pack, and this pack is also good because you can use it to save your wig as well. So the first thing I have here is this is 16 inches deep wave. I can't remember the prices now, but I will check and insert the prices on the screen, so watch for the prices. Okay, this is deep wave, guys. This is my first time of having this is 16 inches. I bought this hair because of the season, guys. Everywhere is hot, the weather is weathering. So that's why I bought this 16 inches. Look at that. It's a kind of T-packed wig. Last year, I made a hair review from Wow Queen Hair. All the hairs I bought then was T-packed wig, because to me, there is no need buying 3 by ear by ear or 13 by 6 or 13 by 4 while I don't even know how to style or lay the head. So it's better I go for this. It's very, very affordable. It's very affordable. This is I don't know this density. They didn't put density here, but let's see. So this is it. Deep wave. So another thing I have here is this hair, 8 inches. This is 8 inches bob wig. Look at that. 8 inches bob wig. Of course, this bob wig is a gift. This is a gift from the factory. They gifted this to me because I am their oldies. It is a gift. Thank you, Wow Queen. This is a gift. They always gift me every time, but this one is huge. So I have this one, 8 inches to 10%. The truth is, I don't even know what it is by 10%. If you know, let me know. This is their super double drain hair, the one they called bone straight. This is super double drain. This hair is blunt bob wig. I've not really touched the hair, but I'm just showing you. This is 2 by 6. The pattern is so deep, 2 by 6. So after taking care of the hair, I'm going to show you guys, especially this one, because this is my how would I say, this is my point of interest when buying the hair. This particular one, this is where I picked. So I would make a different video on this one when I'm wearing it. So the next hair I bought is this one. This is 10 inches and pinky coils. Guys, you will not believe this. In fact, this is my favorite among all the hairs. This is my favorite. Like, why I decided to go for a shorter hair this time around is because of the weather. The weather, oh my god, it's not just somebody's friend, so there is no need. That's why I go for short hair this time around, and this one is my favorite among all the hairs that I bought because it's just like 10 inches, you know, now being coily hair as well. So that is it. I can't wait to rock this particular one. This is 4 by 4, so I picked it. Okay. All I have here are 5 hairs. This one, like I bought 4, one happens to be a gift, then 5 in total. Now the next hair I have here is this one. I think this happens to be a mistake because I don't go on this color. When I saw it, I was like, ah, what is this? I've already seen them that this is not what I want. I wanted this to be black. This is coily hair, bank coily wig. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think about this hair? Can you rock this hair? Can you rock this color? I know people rock the color, but for me, I'm not the colored type. I'm not fair. I think this will suit fair people. For me, even if I wanted to go for color, I think I would have gone for only brown rather than this blonde, but it's okay. My sister said it's very, very good. I should rock it. And my Superman said it's wow, that I should go ahead with it, but I'm not sure. Let me see how it goes. This is bang coily hair. What do you guys say? Do you like it? Yeah, that is it. All these hairs are so very, very affordable. As you are seeing, looking at the price, they are so affordable from Wow Queen Hair. Guys, you can go check it out. You know that economy is not economy, you know, so there is no need wasting your money in what does not supposed to waste. The only disadvantage of buying from factory is that they have this minimum order which you have to order from them. You have to order as a wholesaler, so you don't order like go buy one and come back. Like what I have here is 5 weeks. One happened to be gifts, so that is the only thing. But if you want to buy, you can come along with your friends. You guys decide what to buy. Like, I'm buying, can we buy this? Everybody contributes money, you guys buy and then share it. And when buying, if you are in Europe, know that tax must surely be involved. Okay, so guys, that is it for it. My hair is hairy. I have it. What do you have to say about it? The hair also came with these saving bags. I have some inside hair as well. Like, are you not seeing it? Do you like my hair? Yes. Last time I showcased about this hair was last year, either August or September, when my hair arrived. Now it has arrived again. Would you believe that hair I showcased in my video last year, I don't even have one. So that is it, because it's not that too expensive from me. I know there are some people that doesn't like buying something cheap. They think like this is so cheap. Let me tell you, when you buy from factory, it will be cheaper for you because you are buying directly from them. But if you happen to sell or you have a shop, you have to pay for shipping, you have to pay for your shop, you have to pay for the tax. So that is why buying things in the shop from the factory and reselling goes a long way. Like it goes with a higher rate because of what? Tax, shipping, paying for shopping, all those stuff. Okay, so guys, thank you guys for watching me, and don't forget to do what? Hit the subscribe button. I'm here for you as always, Elisan.